This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The engine oil level dipstick and filler cap are brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level shown. The oil level should be between the upper max mark and the lower min mark. If the level is at or just above the min mark, topping up is necessary. Unscrew the filler cap and, using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Approximately 1 litre will bring the level from the min mark to the max mark. Reinsert the dipstick and recheck the level. Do not overfill. With the level correct, mop up any spilled oil and refit the dipstick and filler cap. The coolant reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The coolant level is visible through the side of the reservoir. With the engine cold, the level should be at the upper max mark. If topping up is necessary, pull up the filler cap on Cooper and 1 models. On Cooper S models, unscrew the cap. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water as necessary to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The max and min marks are indicated on the side of the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean around the top of the reservoir, then unscrew the filler cap. Add new .4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the max mark. Mop up any spilled fluid and securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The wheels must be in the straight ahead position with the engine off. Wipe clean the area around the reservoir filler neck and unscrew the filler cap and dipstick from the reservoir. Insert the dipstick into the reservoir without screwing on the cap, then remove it. The fluid level should be between the min and max marks on the dipstick. Add the correct fluid as necessary to bring the level up to the max mark. With the level correct, mop up any spilled fluid and securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid reservoir filler cap is located at the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Prise up the cap and add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Firmly close the reservoir cap. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it securely locked.